Alright, so this is an example of my watering system at my house. I drew it up here in 3ds Max really quickly. Well, not quickly for me because I'm slow at it, but not very nicely. But let's go over what we're looking at here. So I have 3 surrounding neighbors and myself. So this is up here is one neighbor's ditch. This is my water source. This is my other neighbor's ditch, and this is my other neighbor's ditch here. These purple complete cylinders are underground pipes that carry the water. And so the way the water system works is it starts here at the canal. Now these this little cutout here and this cutout here symbolizes where the water comes into this overflow box and out. And right here, coming into this blue pipe, this is my head gate, attaches to that there. So that's where you know, the big red round thing, valve you turn on and off to turn the water on. And so the way it works is the water comes through this blue tube and dumps out into an open ditch. Now this ditch has a hole in the bottom of it with a plug, and so you can plug this hole. It's like a cap that you screw down and not let any water into this underground pipe. And if you do that, the water flows through down this way and goes to my neighbor's field, which is, you know, a half mile up the road. If you open up this cap, all the water goes into this underground piping right next to the road. And the way that it works is it comes through this underground piping, it tees off here, and it fills up my, I don't know what you call this, my sump. And I have a pump sitting on top with tubing that goes down and sucks water out of here to water my yard. And then the remaining water goes into this guy's sump, and there is a valve here that allows the water to flow down his ditch, and any overflow from there goes through this underground tube and fills up this guy's ditch here. And that's the basic water system. So what issues am I facing? Well, I go over here to the head ditch and I turn the water on, and the water flows nicely through, and my sump fills up with water, and then this guy's sump fills up with water, and then this guy's sump fills up with water. The problem is that my sump fills up slow enough that my pump will drain this thing dry of water faster than it can fill up. Meanwhile, this guy's ditch is overflowing because too much of the water is going into this guy's ditch and into this guy's ditch. So I have to figure out some way to redirect more water into here. The issue also that I'm facing, and what's the quandary that I'm facing, is that if you plug this hole here, okay, if you put the cap down, and this guy is running his water, so this ditch is full clear water all the way down to his field. You put the cap on, this cap doesn't seal very well, it lets a little bit of water leak through in this underground pipe. That leakage fills up my sump clear to the top and allows me to run my pump consistently without draining this well. But if I open this up all the way and let full water flow come through, not enough water gets into my sump for me to water my yard. It fills up too slowly. Why would this hole, just letting a trickle through, fill up my well faster than if I open it wide up? That's the question that I have. And how do I solve it?